We're in a factory shed of the Deutsche Edelstahlwerke company in Krefeld. Here, stainless steel blocks are remelted in a special process to increase the purity of the material. The process takes place in such round copper crucibles, and naturally, as a result of the remelting, impurities get deposited in the form of slag residues on the inner walls. Since the manual cleaning procedure was extremely time-consuming and also needed 3 workers, WOMA GmbH was entrusted with the task of developing and building a customized automatic crucible cleaning machine based on high-pressure water technology. To be able to supply the entire plant with all the relevant components from a single source, the company collaborated with the plant manufacturer RST. A WOMA pump was employed as the electrically operated high-pressure water pump. It is also located in a soundproof housing and can generate an operating pressure of up to 1000 bar. The entire sequence of the cleaning process can be controlled, monitored, and freely programmed at the control unit. We can see the result here. Just one single employee is sufficient to operate the plant and to carry out the crucible cleaning. When the upper cover with the cleaning unit is closed, the high-pressure water lance is moved automatically into the crucible and starts with the cleaning. The display shows how the high-pressure water pump powers up to the programmed set value of 700 bar. What now takes place inside the copper crucible can only be shown in an animated film. The cleaning lance, at the tip of which is a WOMA turbo nozzle, moves at its programmed speed around the crucible, and in doing so moves the slag deposits with the water jet at the programmed high pressure. Since the crucibles are of different lengths and of different diameters, apart from the pressure and the feed, the programmability of the upper and lower end points is also indispensable. Even the number of cleaning passes can be preset. When the program sequence is completed, the cover moves up again and we can see inside the cabin. The slag residues that are removed are located in the collecting trough below the cleaned crucible. To assess the result of the cleaning, we lift the copper crucible out of the plant. After about 20 minutes in the crucible cleaning plant, the result is quite clear. And since the surface that results after high-pressure water cleaning is much smoother than manual cleaning with a brush, the subsequent incrustation when the crucible is used next is also less. Here too, WOMA has shown that with its technical know-how and its worldwide experience, operations and production sequences can be effectively optimized in a customized manner. WOMA, water power as a tool for a clean environment.